Hello and welcome back. This is Steve at Bucks Coins and welcome back to the channel. Please forgive the fan being on, but this is a warm day that I'm recording this on, and this particular one is in the post, number 10. These are coins that I've got over the past couple of weeks that are interesting. I have two silver coins from the UK Mint. That's the first one. Let's go down and let's just there we go. This is the second one, or the second one of the two icon coins that have been released this year. Last weekend, a couple of weekends ago, I did the 1 ounce Little John in the icon series. The three coins that have been released for this series are the Robin Hood, which was a couple of years ago. Then they had the Maid Marian. Then they had the Little John, and then they brought out a second Maid Marian for in 2022, and that's this one. I'll be doing a full review of this coin at a later date. Whoops. The second one, or the second silver coin, I've got. Come on out. Is one that I needed for this year, and that's the 2022 Britannia. Again, I will do a separate review of this coin in depth, so you can see it at that point. So that's the two silver coins. In this bag we have a German coin. I'm going to keep it a little bit of a secret from me, but if you want to go and have a look on eBay or on Google and Google it, it's a 1765 Prussian coin, and the exact coin name, it says, this is the eBay set for it, is a 1765 Prussian 12 Einer Taler coin from 1765. I will be showing that off in depth and giving a review of this, etc., on a slightly later time. It is down as a separate video. And it is in fact video 528. So if I just put V528 there, that's its designated video number. The next one, whoops, is a George III halfpenny. Oh come on, where are you? There you are. But it's still sellotaped to the invoice. There you go, the George III halfpenny. That again, it's from 1807. George III halfpenny, and that's video 530. That again will be a video in the near future. I've started keeping the receipts with the and descriptions with the coins until I actually video them, because I've made the mistake in the past of not doing that and then spent half an hour searching for what the coin is, which is not fun, as you can imagine, with the amount of coins that I have. This one here, let me get the piece of paper out, is a 1794 12 Heller coin, and that is V529, and the 12 Heller coin is, if I get the information from the seller out, it says there we go. It is a 1794 German state Aachen 12 Heller coin. There you go, that's full description. So again, I'll put this in back again with the information of the coins. And the final one is 9 coins. Whoops, sorry, is 4 German coins. Three of which are early silver. And this is V532. And I do have some coins that I can't find at the moment, and I don't know where they are. Huh. That's typical. Wonder where they are. I do have some Victorian coins as well somewhere. Victorian, Georgian, and wonder where they've gone. Oh well, I'll have a look around and try and find them. So that ends this particular video. If you've enjoyed it, please give me a thumbs up, and if you haven't already done so, can you think about subscribing to the channel? I am looking to grow the channel this year, make no bones about that, and if you haven't yet joined, I would love to have you along for the rest of my journey through coins and banknotes. I do 4 videos a week, so hopefully you'll find something that you enjoy and that you wish to view. If you're having a hunt, I hope you have a successful one and you find the coins you're looking for. If you're buying coins, I hope you can get the coins you want for the price you want to pay. And in the meantime, until we meet up again later on this channel, from me, thank you, and ta-ra for now. Bye bye. Ta-ra now.